Charlie and I have just come to see a bee and butterfly border that was planted only 5 months ago in this new landscape project. Now it's a huge border all the way around this patio. It must be 30 metres. It's about 1 metre wide, and we cannot believe how mature it looks in such a short time. Now believe it or not, these are all 1 litre plants like we normally send out. Things like the salvia here has got huge, the lovely grasses. The soil is quite good, so preparation is really important. But it just looks an absolute crazy mixture of beautiful colours. The wildlife and bees and butterflies are all over it. It looks stunning. We are blown away. Now I've been doing this job for a long time, and it amazes me every time, and I'm always surprised that a penstemon that size in 5 months can be this beauty here. Look at that, I can't even put my arms around it. Look at that, it's just amazing, it really is. This Stipa tenuissima, this grass, we've used this zigzagging throughout the whole border, so it's a bit like a backbone. And how nice do they look? Amongst all the colourful plants, they blow in the wind. Birds use the grass for nesting, and it just looks fantastic even in the winter. I think it's brilliant, I love it.